Today we are going to discuss about how to view the contents of the files. This is the part 1. We have two sessions on top of this. Like we have to view the data, like if it is a small file, which commands you need to use. If it is a huge file, like if you have like 1,000 lines of code or like 1,000 lines of some data, if you want to see how you can see that, I categorized into two parts. So in this part we will see some basic commands how to view the data by using the cat command. For cat command we have some utilities are available, and after that we'll after viewing the data, if you want to see data in the reverse order, so which command you need to use, we will see in this tutorial. Quickly we'll see how to create a file with content. So in previous section, till now we saw like if you want to see the data, I used every time cat command. If you want to create the new file, I created by using the touch command, okay, like a empty file. Okay, so quickly by how the syntax will be there. Cat, there is a command, cat command, you can single arrow mark if you given and give the file name first.txt. I created this file now. Okay, in this file I am writing some content. This is first.txt file. Okay, just I wrote enter and control D. If you want to save and exit, this is the command you need to use. Control D. If you do, file content will be saved and exit. Really this data is saved or not, if you want to see, cat first.txt. see, the data is stored inside first.txt, right? You used the single arrow mark, right? If you want to append the data, you want to add some additional data, okay, how you can do that? Same command cat, this time use the double arrow mark, indicates means appending a data to a file. So first.txt, now this is second line in first.txt file. Okay, now this data need to be append in first.txt file, right? Just click on enter and control D. If you want to see the data, how you can see, cat command first.txt. if you see here, you are creating the file with some content. If you want to append some data, then you can append the data also. See here, these two lines you appended some data. So you can create the file by using with content, you can use arrow mark. Append the data, this one also use by using the double arrow mark. Okay, now you can copy one file to another file using cat command. How you can do that? Now as of now I'm using ls command. Here if you see, where is our first.txt, this file content I want to store in different file. That means I need to copy the content. How you can copy one file to another file using the cat command? How I can do that? Cat command, which file you want to copy, that is the source, use first.txt single arrow mark, give one more file like your destination file. I'm giving output.txt. I'm using this file. Immediately if you enter, just go and check by using cat command output.txt. see, whatever the data is available in first.txt, same data is available in output.txt. okay, as of now you are good by using the cat command, right? Now we'll see one more. Now use the ls command. Now what I want to do, I have now output.txt file some data, and first.txt I have some data. Content is both are same. In this file same data, in this file same data. So I want to see both files data in the console. That means multiple file content you can you want to see, then you need to use the cat command. How I can do that? Simply cat, write first.txt, give space and one more file output.txt. see here, same content if you use the multiple file names, all data it will be show in the console. This is one of the command. Now how many lines we have? 1 2 3 4 4 lines I have. Now how to append the data? If you want to append the data also, how you can do that? By using this command you are doing this, right? Next, now if the file is very huge, now you want to see how many number of lines, we don't know, right? By using the cat command we can do that. How I can do that, I will show you. Use the clear, just I'm clearing my screen. So cat command first.txt. Now this is first line, this is you are reading, right? But I want to display the numbers. How I can do that? Cat command, use -n. N is nothing but numbers. Use first.txt. See here, first line indicates this is first line, second line indicates this is second line, file.txt. So this is the way you can use the cat command. Next, you saw the copy command. If you copy by using the cat command. Okay, now how I want to merging and appending one file data to another file. I want to append file data to another file. How I can do that? Okay, how I can do that? I'm using some touch command. I'm creating output 2.txt. This is empty file. Okay, now first.txt I have some data, so in output 2.txt I will write some content. Before performing this step, what I am doing, I created one empty file, I am appending some data. Okay, hi, this is output 2.txt. okay, just I added this line, Control D. Now what I want to do is, in first.txt I have these two lines need to append to output 2.txt, right? Append, I meant to say which command you need to use? Double greater than. How I can do that? Cat, which file? First.txt, append output 2.txt. Click enter. Now data is appended to output.txt. If you want to see, click cat command, output 2.txt. See here, you wrote this line here by using this operator, I mean by using this double greater than, you can copy first.txt file to the destination, source to destination, just you appended the data. So this is for appending file data to another file. How I can do it? This is the uses of the cat command. Basically cat command is used for to view small files, best suitable for to view the small files. Okay, if you want to see the large files, how I can do that? That is in the next session I will explain that concept. Okay, this is the cat command. Now we have this one. Now I want to first line, second line, third line. Now my requirement is like this line should be the first and this line should be the last. Okay, it's a vertical, last line should be the first line should be the last. How I can do that? Now you have the cat command, right? Just try to reverse this command. Instead of cat, I'm using the tac. If you read from the front, cat. If you read from the last, tac. What? Exact opposite of cat command. Now what I will do? Output 2.txt I will write. See here, what happened? What's the difference? This command and this command. Just cat command you reverse it to the tac. So what happened? This is the first line where it is there. See, this is at last line. First line should be the last and last line should be the first. See, this is my last line in previous by using cat command. By using the tac command, this is the last. Okay, if you want to see here, reverse of the cat command, this is the vertical base. Okay, vertical lines, first line is the last line should be the first, like that. Okay, now I want to the horizontal base. maybe if you learn the programming Java, Python, .NET, you are using they are providing the reverse. If you are giving some input, some hello world, I want to reverse the command, you are doing a program, you will start to write a lot of things. But in the Unix you no need to do all things. Okay, just use the rev, means reverse, means just try to do output to dot txt, enter. See here, horizontal base, all lines will be in the reverse state, all lines, you need to read in the reverse way, txt2 dot, so whatever it is there, output dot txt file. So this is the view, these are all the commands to see the data. Okay, in the next tutorial I will explain few more commands. Thank you guys.